everyone, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, my name is Michael Shu and welcome. Today, we are unboxing one of Randolph's most popular sunglasses, the P3, which are a pair of round frames. I've previously unboxed and reviewed Randolph's square frames, such as the Aviators, the Intruders, and the Archers. I've also unboxed and reviewed Randolph's teardrop sunglasses, the Concords, but never have I talked about the P3. That's why I'm gonna be unboxing them today to show you guys what's so special about this pair of sunglasses. Be sure to watch the very end of this video as I'll be putting them on face. If you guys do like this pair of sunglasses, be sure to purchase them with the link down below in the description. It's gonna help me out a ton. If you guys aren't subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you guys went down, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up. It's gonna help me out a ton, and thank you guys so much. If you guys never owned a pair of Randolph, you guys are in for a treat. Without further ado, let's dive into the unboxing. So when you get sent your pair of sunglasses, it is packaged so nice. I gotta say, the packaging alone just shows how much attention to detail that Randolph puts into each pair of their sunglasses. You get shipped this matte black box, and on the front here it has this reflective R for Randolph, and on the bottom right corner it has etched in Randolph. On the side here, it just says the specs of the sunglasses. So this is the 51mm 23K gold skull SkyTech polarized American gray P3. Let's go ahead and open it. You guys ready? I'm excited. Even though I have a bunch of Randolphs, every time I unbox a pair of Randolphs, I get excited. Let's go ahead and open it and I'll give you guys the first look. You guys ready? Ooh, look at that. Upon first opening, it says in gold foiling, welcome to extraordinary. If you guys don't own any pair of Randolphs yet, you're about to find out why these sunglasses are so extraordinary. It also comes with this card. On the front it says 1973, the year where Randolph was found, and as soon as you open it, it says made for those who see things differently. And that's you and me. It comes with this microfiber cloth case. It says Randolph in the front, so it doubles as a microfiber cloth where you can clean your sunglasses, but also acts as a pouch, a soft case, where you can put your sunglasses inside, which is very convenient. Another thing that I really like about the packaging is not only do they give you a soft case and a cleaning cloth, but they also give you a hard case. A lot of other brand of sunglasses out there give you the soft case, but then you have to separately buy the hard case. Where Randolph is nice, they give you both together, the soft case and the hard case together. This is a very nice leather hard case. Like I said, I really like the hard case. I always bring it with me every time I go travel. The hard case is nice because you can put these in your bag, in your suitcase, and other things can be in there, but the sunglasses are never gonna get crushed. The hard case just keeps the shape of the sunglasses really nice and well. Very protective of the sunglasses. So I really like the hard case. But the hard case is made of a really soft leather, and on the very front of the hard case it says Randolph. The packaging is so nice. Like I said, you could really tell the attention to detail that Randolph puts into the packaging and the sunglasses as well. But let's go ahead and see the sunglasses. You guys ready? What do they look like? Ooh. So inside of a case is this nice felt material. But look at these P3 23K gold frames. I absolutely love the 23K gold frames as they catch the light really well, really nice and reflective. And I really like the round frames as well. Let me go ahead and put it on face. You guys ready? Ooh. They fit so nice and comfortable. Gotta say, Randolph sunglasses right out of the box, you don't need any adjustment to the nose piece, to the temples. They fit nice and perfectly. I really like the round frames. And I know there are gonna be people in the comments telling me right now that, Michael, your face shape does not fit well with these pair of sunglasses. But let me tell you, you don't have to care about the face shape. You don't have to care what other people think. As long as you like the pair of sunglasses, they are for you. There are gonna be a lot of people say, these sunglasses don't fit you, they don't look great on you, but if you like them, that's enough. That's all it takes for you to get this pair of sunglasses. You just have to like them. Like I said, I don't usually wear round frames, so my first time trying on round frames, and I gotta say I really like the style of them. What I really like about the P3 are there's so many different color combinations. If you wanted a satin color, if you wanted rose gold frames, if you want a polarized lens or non-polarized lens, they have them all on their website. There are 12 different color choices on their website, so there's bound to be one that you like. Another thing that you should know is that the P3 style sunglasses only come in one size, the 51mm. I know that the Aviators or the Concords come in different sizes. If you wanted to go up or down, you had that option. However, with the P3 style sunglasses, they only come in the one size, the 51mm. Overall, I am really liking this pair of sunglasses. These are the American Gray lens with 23K gold frames. These are the American Gray lens, which are made out of Skytech, which is also glass lens, which means they are the most optically clear. However, on the website, they also have the option for Skyforce, which are made out of nylon lenses, which means it's gonna be a little bit lighter. However, that's gonna be not as clear as the glass lenses. However, in my opinion, honestly, they are both very clear. I can't tell the difference between the glass lens or the nylon lens, Skyforce or Skytech, but in my opinion, both lenses from Randolph are very clear. But let me go ahead and go outside and show you what this pair of sunglasses is like on everyday clothes. You guys ready? Let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed the on-face look of the P3 frames by Randolph. I honestly really like this pair of sunglasses. They sit and fit very comfortably on my face. I really like them. You could shake your head like this and they don't fall off. They don't move at all. I really like them and they are very comfortable. I really do like the 23K gold frames as they do catch the light really well, and the polarized glass lens, American Gray, I really like that combination. So if you guys are thinking getting a pair of Randolphs or round frames, be sure to check out the P3. You're not gonna regret them. And if you don't even own any pair of Randolphs, buy them and you will be surprised. But if you do buy them, be sure to use the link down below in the description. And for all the people that do own Randolphs, let me know which pair of sunglasses are your favorite. Is it the Aviators, the Concords, the P3, the Intruders? Which one is it? That's gonna be it for my unboxing today. If you guys aren't subscribed, go ahead and click there and subscribe. It's gonna make me really happy. If you guys wanna see a 3-year review of my Aviators, click here. If you wanna see some Concords, go ahead and click there. That's gonna be it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.